This gigabit Ethernet switch has 4 1.25 gigabits per second SC fiber ports and 2 10 or 100 or 1000 megabits per second Ethernet ports, allowing for data communication between 1000 base T twisted pair and 1000 base SX or LX fiber optic cable. It can extend the maximum transmission distance of the network from 100 meters of twisted pair to 120 kilometers. The installation of this fiber optic switch is easy and convenient, as it is plug and play without requiring any configuration. All optical and electrical interfaces comply with international standards. The product features isolation protection, good data confidentiality, stable operation, and easy maintenance, making it suitable for use in various commercial and industrial environments.